Welcome to the instruction manual how to use this new Chrome extension, which allows you to forward to more than 5 people at any one time on WhatsApp. We're talking here 50, 100 groups, 200 groups, all in one go, in a very human-like way, which basically what that means is that it's keeping your account safe. It's just mimicking your behavior, mimicking the work you would otherwise have to do manually so that you won't have to do it yourself. So WhatsApp doesn't see this as spammy. It just sees this as if a human's doing it. And that's what makes this extension so special. And that's why I recommend it. So it's a Chrome extension. You add it to Chrome. It's free to try for a couple of days, all functionality. And once you've added it to Chrome, when you click on the Chrome extension, what you'll see is the following. You'll see this is the screen you'll see. So over here, you can choose the delay between each 5 groups. So for example, if it's shared to the first 5, after that, it's going to wait 8 seconds. And then you can randomize the delay as well, or you can uncheck that. Now, I recommend just leaving this on. It will add an extra few seconds between each post, just so that WhatsApp doesn't see it as a robot doing your sharing. Over here, you could, let's say, put 30 seconds. And that's it. All you need to do is leave it open, running, and then it will do the work for you. So as you can see, if you look at my website, the website I'm on whatsappweb.com. This is the website you have to be on in order to use it. Now, if you've never used this before, because most of you probably downloaded the actual WhatsApp application, you actually need to do it through this. This is the only way to share to more than 5 in one go. So when you click the Chrome extension, it will actually take you to this website. So you don't actually have to remember it. You just click the Chrome extension once and it will open up WhatsApp Web. You link your WhatsApp to WhatsApp Web and you're good to go. So after you've set all your settings here, you can straight away start sharing. Now you can share anything you want to more than 5 groups. Let me show you an example. Let me just go to my chat over here. Over here, you can see that you can choose what you want to share. So when you want to share something, the only way to do it is by clicking this little arrow here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but let me show you one over here. When you hover over any message, a little arrow pops up. You click on that, and then you've got this new button over here, which basically is the only way to use this Chrome extension. You click on this new button, which has appeared for you now, and now you can choose the messages you want. Now, you can choose one or more than one. It doesn't really matter. You can choose whatever you want, even if it's 5 messages. And that's it. Once you're ready, you can click share. And now this is where the magic all happens. Over here, you can see all of your groups and people. It's actually all linked. I'm sure in the future, we'll split them up to people and groups. Right now, it's your groups and your contacts as well. So if I wanted to search, I could actually search here by typing, for example, like anything I want in this to find the specific groups I want. So, but for now, I'm just going to click on some of the ones I want to share to, just like that. And that's it. If I'm ready, I can literally click share to 7 groups now, and I'll be able to share to more than 5 groups on WhatsApp just by clicking this right now. But that's very simple functionality, which works perfectly. It's nothing wrong with selecting, let's say, 10 or 15 or 20 or 100 groups, or even selecting all. You could just select all, and it selects literally all. But we're going to be more sophisticated about this. We're going to, let's say, select, 10 groups, and then we're going to save to preset. Now, I highly recommend creating group presets, because if you're regularly sharing to more than 5 people on WhatsApp, you can actually save the list of groups as a preset. This will save you time looking for them. You know how annoying it is to have to look for groups over and over again. So let's save that as a preset. It asks you what's the name. You can call it whatever you want. You can say these are my real estate in New York groups. So those are specifically for New York. And that's it. You've saved the preset. Now, next time you come to the app, you can click on, instead of selecting groups, you can just select a preset and then find your New York group, and it will just check all those boxes. And then you can click on share to 9 groups. And that's it. That kind of concludes the how-to part of this Chrome extension. So if we click share to 9 groups, what you're going to see is it starts sharing to the groups. It starts selecting, and sharing to all of your groups. You have to leave this window open, but of course you can go and do other work other places. You can go to another website, you know what I mean? Let it do everything in the background. You don't have to worry about this is working for you right now. It's doing all the work. As you can see, it's sharing to the first 5 groups. Actually, let me show you that happening. And once it's shared to 5 groups, it will actually start a countdown over here, depending on the extension randomization delays. And these, see, it's 38 seconds. That's going to be the delay between each post, and that was done through the options over here. And by the way, if you ever need to remove a group from your presets, you just click into the Chrome extensions, go find your groups. Here's the one we just made now, the real estates in New York. Click on show groups, and then you can delete them like this from the Chrome extension. You can actually also do this directly inside the interface over here. I'll show you soon, possibly. But that basically summarizes how to share to more than 5 groups on WhatsApp using this insane Chrome extension, which only works on WhatsApp web. So definitely add it to Chrome. You get a few days for free, no credit card required at all. It just straight away works for you. Remember, this Chrome extension is called 5+. You can actually find it in the Chrome Web Store right now. It's the only solution right now which allows you to share to more than 5 groups. But use it wisely. Don't overuse it. Of course, use it as you would if you were doing work anyway. Let it just do your work and save you time instead of spamming the world with content, because we want our accounts to stay safe. And that's why this extension deliberately mimics human behavior and doesn't do things in a super fast way, which will easily be detected as spam. So this Chrome extension is here to protect your account and keep it safe long term. Thank you for watching this video. We were Solations. Solations is actually a company that makes more than just this Chrome extension. We actually have the same Chrome extension, but for Facebook. It's called Multiple Group Share Assistant. It does exactly the same thing, just it works inside of Facebook. So for those of you sharing into Facebook groups and you also don't like waiting forever, this is the alternative. This is the same thing as this. Basically, these two are the same. This is for WhatsApp and this is for Facebook. All right. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. And make sure you subscribe to never miss these unbelievable business solutions, software solutions. Bye for now.